So, upon doing these videos, I've realised I'm not very good at speaking. So, I've made a quick compilation of all of the best bits of me just messing up, both speaking and a little bit of me just not being able to forge properly. So, I hope you enjoy the video, and yeah, let's just crack on with it. They can get stuck sometimes, so if we just wait a little while for it to cool down, contract a bit, and then we should be able to get it out, because the tool should stay reasonably hot, if you know what I mean. Really doesn't take very long to make a nail. Okay, so today, and so that's it. Right, I'll do that again because that was wrong.
Great.
If you want to see me use it, I'll link the description.
Link the description in the description.
Okay, start again. Leave it. Is it on?
Yeah. First try.
Let's try. Got all the lights in it though.
Yeah, probably.
A couple of days ago.
Cue Oscar.
Hello. To start that socket off, I find that this
Can we
is
stop?
That's quite nice, actually. Yeah, that's what you don't want to happen. Beer.
Ow.
Right, well, I mean, I'll finish this one off. I'm coming here.
I'm filming now.
That was good because I didn't take enough material anyway. Has to be quite tight. Okay, so that's it. I've just cut it off, finished it with some linseed oil, cut the ends twice. Right. Alright, so that's it. I've cut it off, the bar. I think I can do it, so it's pretty simple really, but anyway, I like to do that. I like, you know, this little hook, and yeah. Today I'm going to be making a little key ring, just a leaf. Okay, so here are a couple of. Hold on 1 second. Wide there at the top, because that's, you know, generally, you know, pie. I'll do that again. Now I've got that forged shape. I'm plugged in. It's good. Right, so I don't know. Best way to cool something down. I always thought that.
Should we give up on that?
Okay, so after I'd finished, that it is a left twist it, and so yeah, sort of the we just leave it running.
Yep. Process?
The It's all the principles of blacksmithing, you know, to make the tools, You are the craftsman. Right, let's start again.
You gotta keep that in.